So here I've got the Masha cabin air filter for the Tesla Model Y and the Model 3 here. So first off, thank you to the company for sending these out to me so I can try them out. So you can see these are really nice air filters here. You can see the activated carbon there inside the honeycomb. That is really cool. And then the other side has the HEPA air filter there. It does come in the 2-pack. You do need 2 for your car. These are the original that I just took out of the car. So basically, it is pretty simple to do. You do need to pull out a few panels, which I can show you now. So basically pull out this panel here. There's lots of videos on YouTube how to do that, so I'm not going to show you all that, but it is not that difficult. And then the air filter is going to slide right into the panel back there. So basically, you're just going to take one and then slide it in here. You do need to finagle it a little bit. Okay, so yeah, after you push it in a little bit, and then it'll go in there, so you can drop the first filter in. You'll see it'll drop down. And then the second filter will sit right on top. You can see you can still access the pull right here. So later on when you remove it, you can just pull it up and then pull it out. Okay, so I do have the second one. Just got the second one there, pushed in there. So we'll just push it in. You do want to make it so the honeycomb is facing towards the seat that way. So there you go. So both are in, and then after that, all you're going to do is put this cover back on, and then you'll be done. So very simple to do. Then after that, push these panels back, push this panel back in, and then you'll be completed. So yeah, it's recommended probably to change it every 8 to 12 months to keep your air smelling fresh inside your car. So yeah, if you're in need of some really nice cabin air filters for your Model Y or Model 3, definitely check these ones out.